Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best treadmills of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your fitness journey, these treadmills offer the latest in technology, comfort, and performance. Stay tuned to discover which models stand out this year, helping you make the best choice for your home gym setup. Let's get started. Number 5. SH&F Pegasus Smart Treadmill. The SH&F Pegasus Smart Treadmill is a standout in the market, offering an impressive blend of functionality and innovation for fitness enthusiasts. With its foldable design and durable steel frame, this treadmill is built to last while saving space in your home. The treadmill offers a speed range of 0.6 to 7.5 miles per hour and boasts a 2.5 peak horsepower motor, providing robust performance. The handlebar features quick speed buttons for easy adjustments, while the spacious running deck accommodates various running styles. With a deck-to-floor height of 3 inches and shock absorption technology, the Pegasus ensures a comfortable running experience. The digital monitor tracks essential workout metrics, including calories burned, distance, pulse, speed, steps, and time. Safety is prioritized with an emergency stop clip, ensuring a secure workout environment. Convenience is further enhanced with a device holder and USB charging port, allowing users to stay connected and entertained during workouts. For connected fitness enthusiasts, the Pegasus syncs with the Sunny Fit app, offering a variety of running and treadmill courses. Additional features include transportation wheels for easy mobility and Bluetooth connectivity. With a maximum user weight of 265 pounds, this treadmill is priced at $599.99, making it an excellent investment for your home gym. Number 4. ProForm Carbon TLX. The ProForm Carbon TLX treadmill is designed to enhance your fitness journey with its impressive features and durable construction. Featuring a 7-inch high-contrast, multicolor display, this treadmill keeps you informed and entertained. Its space-saver design and easy lift assist allow for convenient folding and storage, making it perfect for home use. Powered by a 3.0 chp motor, the Carbon TLX ensures a smooth, powerful, and quiet workout experience. It offers a speed range of 0 to 12 miles per hour with quick speed button control, accommodating a variety of workout intensities. The treadmill also includes a 0 to 12% incline range, easily adjustable with quick speed buttons, enabling a diverse range of workouts. Built with ProShocks cushioning, the Carbon TLX provides premium comfort by reducing impact on your joints. The cool air fan keeps you cool during intense sessions, and the dual 2-inch speakers, along with Bluetooth headphone compatibility, ensure an immersive audio experience. Measuring 35.1-inch wide, 74.3-inch deep, and 59.1-inch tall with a low step-up height of 7.75-inch, the treadmill fits most user heights and supports up to 300 pounds. It features 1.9-inch precision machined and balanced rollers for a smooth run. Backed by a 10-year frame warranty and a 1-year parts and labor warranty, the ProForm Carbon TLX is priced at $999, making it a valuable addition to any home gym. Number 3. BowFlex BXT8J. The BowFlex BXT8J treadmill is an advanced fitness machine designed for serious runners and fitness enthusiasts. Featuring dual-track LCD displays, it ensures you can monitor your progress with ease. The treadmill offers an impressive speed range of 0 to 20 km per hour, allowing you to set the perfect pace for any workout. Stay cool during your sessions with the fitted fan that offers 3 speed settings. The BXT8J includes a motorized incline of up to 15%, providing the challenge needed to reach your next fitness peak. With 26 fixed workout programs, it caters to various fitness levels and goals. The generous running path, measuring 51 cm wide and 152 cm long, ensures ample space for comfortable strides. Compatibility with the JR&Y app enhances the workout experience, offering personalized coaching and adaptive workouts. The media shelf and USB charging port keep your devices powered and accessible. The Treadmill's Comfort Tech deck cushioning minimizes impact on your joints, enhancing comfort during long runs. The BXT8J also features a heart rate monitor with hand grips and a 5 kHz chest strap, allowing you to stay within your optimal training zone. The 7-inch backlit LCD console provides clear visibility of your workout metrics. The Treadmill has stowed dimensions of 54.9-inch length, 37.6-inch width x 66.6-inch height, a product weight of 114.5 kilograms, and supports a maximum user weight of 136 kilograms. Priced at $1,299, the BowFlex BXT8J is a premium investment for those serious about their fitness journey. Number 2. Xterra TR95H Hiker. The TR95H Hiker treadmill is a versatile 4-in-1 fitness machine designed for walking, running, climbing, and even working. With its robust 3.0 horsepower motor and heavy-gauge welded steel frame, it guarantees durability and high performance. The treadmill operates on a standard 110-volt outlet, making it accessible for home use. The TR95H offers a comprehensive speed range of 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour in running mode and 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour in climbing mode. It features an impressive electronic incline system with 0 to 15 levels for running and 15 to 40 levels for climbing, simulating hill training for increased workout intensity. This treadmill caters to all fitness levels with its 20 FEFTed programs, including 12 presets, 5 heart rate control, and 3 target heart rate options. The LCD backlit display provides detailed feedback on program profiles, time, speed, incline, calories, pulse, and more. Convenience is key with the TR95H's fitted standing desktop, dual cup holders, and phone/tablet holder. The machine also features instant access control buttons, remote speed and incline handlebar controls, and 360-degree transportation wheels for easy mobility. The treadmill boasts a generous running surface of 20 by 52 inch, with extra soft deck cushioning for enhanced comfort. Aero bars provide added stability, and the 14.2 inches increased height ensures ease of use. The TR95H supports a maximum user weight of 300 pounds and is priced at $2,299.99, making it a comprehensive and valuable addition to any home gym. Number 1. Soul F89. The Soul F89 treadmill is an advanced fitness machine designed to cater to all your workout needs with its impressive features and robust build. Featuring a 21.5-inch touchscreen display, the treadmill offers an engaging user interface, making it easy to track your progress and access various workout programs. Powered by a 4.0 HP motor, the F89 provides a speed range of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, suitable for both beginners and seasoned runners. It includes 15 levels of incline and 6 levels of decline, allowing you to simulate a variety of terrains for a comprehensive workout experience. The treadmill comes with 10 pre-programmed workouts and 12 user-defined programs, offering versatility and customization to suit different fitness goals. The spacious running surface measures 22 by 60 inch, providing ample room for comfortable strides. The treadmill features a folding mechanism with a release lever, making it easy to store when not in use. The 2.75-inch rollers ensure a smooth and quiet operation. The F89 treadmill is equipped with modern conveniences, including wireless device charging, Bluetooth speakers, Soul Plus integration, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Reloaded apps, along with accessory holders for your phone, tablet, and reading materials, enhance your workout experience. With a weight capacity of 375 pounds and a step-up height of 8 inch, it accommodates a wide range of users. Priced at $3,299.99, the Soul F89 treadmill is a premium investment for those serious about their fitness journey. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best treadmills of 2024. We hope you found the perfect fit for your fitness journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and fitness tips. Stay active and healthy.